everyone, welcome back. It is Toe of the Week in my new salon, and if you'd like to see what I did, then continue watching. Welcome back, everyone. Good to see all of you. And today is Toe of the Week, like I said, and I am doing the set to match these October breast cancer awareness nails. I did the toe design to match. So I hope you guys will enjoy this. Definitely give it a try. And like I said in my nail video, always remember that cancer sucks and continue to pray that people will make it through or that they will find more cures. So anyways, let's get started on this toe design, everyone. Everyone take care and God bless. See you in my next video. Hi, everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's toe design. A really cute breast cancer awareness set with like a flannel or plaid look. And then I've got the ribbons for breast cancer. If you'd like to see how I did this one, please continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to Toe of the Week and my first toe design in my new salon. This design here I am doing for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It matches with the nails I did on Monday. If you didn't get a chance to see that, definitely check that out. Right now I've got one burgundy nail, the big one, and then the rest are done in a pink. I'll show you what I'm using. I use these two polishes. They're the same ones that I used in my nail video. It's the Kiss Gel and it's called Paradise. And the burgundy is Wet and Wild, and it's called Grape Minds Think Alike. I hope you can see that. If not, I'll have it listed down in the box. This also was from Dollar Tree. Both of them are from Dollar Tree. And the Kiss Gel are so wonderful. They're a great polish. Then what I'm going to be doing is working with acrylic paints and a couple of my liner paints. I'll show you my palette here. I've got hot neon pink mixed with a little bit of white, so it's not transparent when you put it on, and it also will match better with that pink. And then I have taken red and black and made a burgundy because I'm going to be doing some flannel or what you would call plaid look on the baby toes. So I'll be using a little bit of the burgundy here to match. And then I'm going to work with my liners, and that is my white. I get this also from the dollar store. It's just a white color. And this one is the Art Deco, the silver. Those are just liner paints. So I'm just going to use those to run the lines through too. So I'm going to get started on them, and I will return to show you what I'm doing. All right, I am back, and as you see, I've got most of the plaid done. I have left one toe open to show you, and I've left the big toe to show you the pink ribbon for breast cancer. So let me get set up here and draw in for you. Gotta take the glove off because it won't draw in for you. Okay. Now, for starters, I'm going to take that acrylic paint like I showed you, and I'm using my 10/0 brush, and I'm just going to dip. Oh, I should have showed you the tip. There's a tip. It's a short liner, and I'm just dipping into the pink paint that I've made with the white. And again, I'm just going to do a half circle, just going around like this, just a half circle, and you don't have to, you know, perfectly line it up just exactly where the other one was. They're going to both be off just a little bit, but that's fine. And then just bring it down like this, as like you're doing a heart, but then you're gonna crisscross it over, and you're gonna come over here and add the other ribbon over here and meet up with that one. It's pretty easy to do this one. Well, I think it's easy to me. Of course, I've been doing freehand art for years. So, but that's basically how you do it. It's, you know, not too complicated. Then bring it down, and when you come down to the bottom here, just kind of go off to the side just a little bit like that so it looks like the ribbon. And I'm going to do the same side with same at this side, and then just kind of fill in where you see a little bit of, if there's any, you know, like translucent, you want to just fill that in there like that. So there's that. And then the other toes, I'm going to take the same brush and dip into that burgundy mix that I made to start with. And I'm just going to do a couple of lines here. So real lightly, I'm going to do a little burgundy line right here, just going down like that. And then I'm going to go across with it now, like this. I'm going to go up into here with it and make this a little bit of a wider line, just going across like that. Get a little bit more paint here. Go to the other side, fill in here, and then get a little bit more paint so I can just fill in where it's not dark enough there, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my liner paint now, my Art Deco in the white, and I'm going to do 2 white lines. Now these are less than the fingers, obviously, because they're toes. So I'm just going to grab this and I'm going to set it down right here, and I'm going to put a white line right there. And the paint is mixing there, you see, because it wasn't dry, but I want to stay on film here because I can just go over it a few times. I would recommend waiting till it's dry, but I'm going to go over it just a couple times so that it will get, you know, dark enough here, the white. You can just wait till it's dry. I just don't want to have to go off camera right now for you guys. And then I'm just going to put a white line going across here at the tip. And that's what's fun about plaid, is you can just do it any way you want to. So I'm going to come over here, hopefully I'm not in your way, and fill that in there. And go over it just one more time so it's a little bit darker, like that. And then we're going to grab the silver Art Deco, and we'll just do a couple silver lines. I'm going to go like, grab the paint, and I'm just going to do it anywhere I want. I'm going to do one right here. And now you see it's not dry, so I ended up, you know, going through the color, but that's okay, because like I said, I'm going over it a few times. You might want to wait till it's dry, but you see it still looks pretty and you don't really notice that. Okay, I just didn't want to wait. And then I'm going to go across here real lightly so I don't really smudge the paint. Real lightly, just a line going this way too. Each one you see, I just went one way down, one way across. And you can do it any way you want to, however you feel you like it. Like that. And I just love the glitter in it. I just think it looks pretty. I like things to sparkle. So that is that. Let me get them both up here and draw back out again. And you see, isn't that cute? Such a cute plaid or flannel look for the fall. And like I said, I did the ribbons for breast cancer awareness and had the pink toes. So I'm going to let these dry. I am going to top coat with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. I get that from Sally's. I will list everything down in the box for you guys. And I will return to show you the finished product. Alrighty, I am all done and I love these. They turned out just as cute as my fingers. And I love doing something for, you know, cancers. This is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, October, and it's the Think Pink. So I decided to go with a flannel or plaid look with the pink ribbons for breast cancer. Hope you guys will definitely give this one a try, and never forget about people with cancer. Definitely keep all of them in your prayers. And also I do have an outfit to match with this, so I hope you guys will check that out. I did a nail design on Monday to match as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in my next video. Take care, God bless, and never forget about the cancer awareness. Love you guys very much. Good night and God bless.